Welcome to my channel. This is CA Firoz. Today we are going to discuss very relevant topic regarding ICV certification in UAE. Here we will understand the overview on ICV certification. Here we will cover firstly objective of ICV certification, then benefit for ICV certification, and thereafter we will consider ICV certification process and authorized certifying bodies, and then after we will consider here how long is the certificate valid for. First of all, we will discuss here objective of ICV certification. We need to understand why UAE government introduced ICV certificate. This process is very important for UAE government because main purpose behind this promoting economic diversification and supporting local business and suppliers and creating job for UAE nationals as well expat, contributing to the growth of UAE GDP. This is very important for the UAE government to implement ICV certification because they are getting more benefit and more GDP increase on the basis of ICV certification. And next slide, we will understand what the benefit for ICV certification means. Whoever want to get ICV certificate, why they want to get the ICV certificate. So we need to understand the advantages of the ICV certification. If you get ICV certificate, so you can eligible for government and semi-government contracts, and there is a special competitive edge in the tendering, and your credibility in UAE will be increased. This is major advantages for the ICV certification. You already understand the objective of ICV certification and already understand the main advantage for the company this ICV certification. Here we will understand ICV certification process. If you already desire to get the ICV certificate, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to get audited FS on the basis of IFRS. If you have audited FS, then you need to fill ICV template as provided by ICV portal. There is nothing but only standard Excel file. You need to fill whatever required, like procurement cost, amortization, and expect investment, whatever the important element that already cover in ICV template. After filling the ICV template, you need to identify the certifying body for evaluation of that ICV certificate. That body evaluate your ICV certificate, evaluate your ICV template. Then they will provide the ICV certificate and upload on the ICV portal. After that, you will be eligible for participating any tendering in government and saving government companies. For your understanding, here I covered the certifying bodies list. Here is you can see that there is around 24 certifying bodies you need to approach and get the lowest quote for taking the ICV certification. This is very important to understand for you evaluation factor for ICV score, because you can get the ICV certificate but their score will be high. If your score is low, so in the tendering you are not you will not present on the top. So first of all, you need to understand what the factor involved in the ICV score. These factor already cover in your ICV template which you fill, but you need to understand where you can increase and where you can going decrease. So first of all, here we will cover the ICV score evaluation factor. In first step, we need to consider goods and services procurement. Here we will consider procurement cost. Here we need to consider how many procurement cost is there, but that will be supplier wise, not expenses wise. Here we will cover supplier wise and exclude VAT aspect on the supplier wise amount. Thereafter, we need to consider investment in the UAE. Investment in UAE, we need to fill WDV of fixed asset, including software, excluding intangible asset. Thereafter, in ICV template, we need to fill how many Emiratis you already hired and what the annual salary you already paid through the WPS system. Thereafter, we need to mention the expat, how many expat you already hired in your company, and whatever the amount you paid through the WPS, you need to disclose there. Thereafter, you need to consider the export, but when you are going to consider export, you need to take document like shipping bill and airway bill. Like export document you need to maintain, that time you can take the export benefit also. And thereafter, there is advanced technology and sustainability. If you have ICV environmental standards and certification and green industries labeling, if you have these type of certification, you can get the extra benefit on your ICV score. This is important element we already covered here. In next video, definitely we will cover the aspect, the process, how to fill the ICV template. That is very important, because when you understand how to fill the ICV template, definitely your score will be increased accordingly. After understanding what the importance of ICV certificate, so we need to understand, if you already got the ICV certificate, what the validity of that ICV certificate. That validity, you need to understand a period of 14 months. A period of 14 months from where? From the date of signing of your audited FS. This is the validity period. There is some chance to get rectified, but your audited FS remains same. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any query, please comment here. We will consider. If you like my video, we will definitely come with any special video like how to fill your ICV template. We will cover there. That will definitely helpful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.